Hey friends, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel. I hope you've had a great Wednesday. Today I've got a Walmart grocery haul for you. This was almost $160. This is definitely some foods that we will be taking for lunches for the next couple weeks, and a little bit of a meat stock up for the freezer, and just some random things that I needed. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for being here. I'm just a simple Southern wife and mama trying to feed my family. I will share grocery hauls, usually every Wednesday night at 8 o'clock. Then on Sunday nights at 8, I'll give you a quick little rundown of some of the meals I've cooked for my family this week. I do hope that each one of you had a blessed Easter. Thanks so much for going back, and so many of you watched my Easter video from last year, and I do apologize. That was the second video that I ever made in my whole life. Honestly, I was just trying to see if I could put a what's for dinner type video together with the dishes that I made for Easter. I never dreamed in a million years that YouTube would go back and push that out this year. I received so much good feedback, and of course a lot of people said the music was loud. I totally agree. I don't know what to do about that now. But I was just a babe and learning. Hopefully I have gotten better. But thank you so much for those of you that have went back and seen that. I basically made the same things this year, just give or take some green beans and macaroni. So anyway, let me show you the groceries that I've got. Then stay tuned for footage from my church's Easter egg hunt and my family's Easter buffet spread. I always like to start just giving you a little overview of what I have here. I just lay it out on the counter because it is so much easier for me to reach that way rather than putting everything out on the table. First and foremost, I will just buy me a pack of toilet paper every week, whether I need it or not. So I grabbed some today at Walmart, no exception. I'm a little late to the party with the Dawn Power Wash. Honestly, I don't have a lot of trouble with my pots and pans and dishes being sticky, but I thought I'd give this a try, and I do like to mix up Dawn and the baking soda and vinegar, and I have done that in the shower, but somebody was telling me they just use this stuff right here, and it's amazing. Laundry time, running low on those supplies, so I just got a big 102 small load bottle of the Suavitel. This always smells so good, and this scent really lasts. Got a little thing of bleach for my towels, and a great big container of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. I looked down those little seasonal decor aisles. Of course, they had a lot of Easter stuff, and they had this whole little section of like nursery and baby stuff. Well, we have a new baby coming to a couple at church, and I thought this was so pretty. You are so loved. They're not going to find out the gender, so this is very gender neutral. We can use this at the shower as decor. Then they can put it in the little baby's room. I just thought that was adorable. And that was like $5. Maddie found herself a new cosmetic bag. This is a beautiful green, which she loves green. Super duper soft. It feels so good. You can wipe this out. It looks like it's going to expand to be a really nice size for her stuff. And it has an interior slip pocket. So that got me to thinking that I could probably use a new bag too. I'm very simple in my makeup routine. I just have a few brushes. It's hard to get everything in the bag I have. Like, it just fits, and my brushes don't fit, so they will fit in this bag. This was about $5. It's hard to see because it's like clear, and then there's also a little zippered pocket on the outside that looks like it would fit like eye pencils and things. So I got that. I got 2-packs of tablecloths for Easter. I got a blue, a yellow, and a pink. These are round tablecloths. As always, the Sam's Choice Colas were pretty picked over. We did end up with one diet one. I bought all those sandwich crackers there about 2 weeks ago, and we do have like 1 pack left. But like me and my husband, we eat a pack of these every day. I just throw them in our lunches to have as a snack in the afternoons. So I just grabbed a big pack of these Austin peanut butter and crackers. This was 27 packs for about $7. This is chicken and bites. This is like the Nabisco chicken biscuits, but it's really, I like them better. Super cheap too. We hadn't had any fruit snacks in a while, so we just got these Fruit Smiles. These are almost as good as Mott's. I got some of this Propel Zero Sugar Electrolyte packs that go in water for my husband. I had not been to Walmart, and this is the best place to buy these. So he had a few left where I had stocked up, but I went ahead and grabbed him one. We saw the Funyuns, and we just couldn't resist, so we grabbed a bag of Funyuns. I haven't tried Great Value Doritos in a while, so we grabbed us a bag of Cool Ranch Walmart brand Doritos to try. I also got a bag of the lightly salted chips, which we really love, the barbecue chips, and a big bag of veggie straws. We were out of those. Got a big pack of 12 buns. My husband has a pork butt out on the smoker right now, and I swear I will film him doing his pork butts and stuff. But I am a woman who is on the move. I do not have hours and hours. He's in there laughing at me. I don't have hours and hours to film him doing what all it is he does. It's very involved. It is, but it isn't. You season everything real good and you put it on there. Then you go back and squirt it ever so often with stuff. And then you go back and you wrap it. It takes hours. And like I said, if I just had a whole day to devote to that, fine. But I was hunting Easter eggs today. I didn't have time for that. So I got some hot dog buns too. Grabbed a couple of Totinos while we were in there. Also, just grabbed a bag of these chicken strips because I can always go for some chicken strips in the freezer. Sometimes they're hard to find. Now, this was what I felt like was probably the bargain of the day. Sometimes you can find fresh chicken breasts for $1.99 or something like that. But this 5-pound bag of the frozen boneless, skinless chicken breast, it had the sticker, you know, the shelf tag over it said $12.42, $2.49 a pound. This is a 5-pound bag. I just really felt like that was a good deal, $2.49 a pound. Plus, it's already like fixed up, ready to go, frozen. I love to keep these to throw in the crock pot or just thaw them out and do them up in the oven. But be careful. I got 2 bags of them, 2 5-pound bags of them for $12.42 each. But when I rang them up, I was in the self-checkout, they rang up $18 and something. So I said, oh, I don't want it if it's that much, but I'm pretty sure that tag said $12.42. Well, she just took it off and said, okay. And she went off with the bag of chicken. I said, well, are you taking it back there right now? She said, no, I have to watch the registers. Well, I was going to have her get me a smaller bag of chicken. But anyhow, turns out the little thing I bought for the baby shower did not have a tag on it. So I had to go back and get a different one of those anyhow. So I went back and checked the price and the tag just to make sure. And it said $12.42 5-pound bag. I even checked the numbers on the back. So I just grabbed another bag of it, went back to self-checkout. She had just put this other bag of chicken in a buggy up there and just left it. I mean, it had just been a few minutes, but I told her this is $12.42 and I'll just get that other bag that's in the buggy too. So anyhow, got that. I also got some tilapia fillets, and these we have not had in so long. And if I remember correctly, yes, these are individually vacuum sealed, which I love. They're nice to thaw out like that. We've not had really any kind of fish made at home in so long. I like a very mild fish, so I am excited to have those soon. Grabbed 4 of these little 50-cent bean and cheese burritos. I love these things for a snack. And here's something else we've not had in a while. And I just buy these already done up because really me and Callie are the main 2 that like them. The Brussels sprouts and the squash and onions together. So instead of buying all that, fresh, cutting it up, maybe having waste, I just buy that. Here was my $160 meat freezer stock up lunch, treats, snack, household products, miscellaneous random things, haul from Walmart. Okay, friends, I have something very exciting that you will never see in my Kroger grocery hauls. My daughter came in. She had been over to Knoxville. She'd been to Trader Joe's, and there is an Asian superstore. It's called Sunrise Grocery, and we don't have anything like that in our town. She loves to go over here, and she came in to give me her haul. I said, we need to show this to our friends. So I'm going to start with her Trader Joe things. She got a sparkling lemon water because she was so thirsty. She got this strawberry mochi. I have had these little things before. It's like a little ice cream and it's wrapped in like a dough. These are already gone. They ate those on the way back. Got this pretty little flower. Look at that for $3. Nobody ever goes to Trader Joe's without getting the orange chicken. So she's got a bag of that. She's got a couple of different instant ramen noodles. This one is cow flavored. Yes, it's beef. That's right. So got this one. This one. She told me it was some kind of like a broth, but it's Japanese ramens, and it's got some kind of broth in it. So anyhow, that was also from Trader Joe's. She got this chili sesame seed oil. She likes to use mirin and lots of different kind of oils in her ramens, and she'll like crack open an egg and fry it and put in it. She's really good at making those. And she got some chicken pot stickers. Here's what they look like. She got 3 bags of these wasabi peas. And they come in little individual bags like this. These are very good. I've had these before when she's brought them in. Got those. She got this. She says they're kind of like a Rice Krispie treat, but it's like a flour. It says flour cake, and it's green tea. So it's sort of like a Rice Krispie, but not hardly as gooey. I got a bag of roller coasters. These are like a cheesy potato snack, and then these turtle chips, and they're kind of like a bugle or corn chips. I don't know why they call them turtle chips. There's no turtles in them. I've checked the bag. She got these for her sister. Her sister loves these little candies. They just look like little hamburgers. They're so cute, but they're wonderful little candies. She also got this. This was really cool. Bhutan rice candy, and it comes wrapped in an edible wrapper. What's the wrapper made out of, Callie?
It's rice paper.
It's rice paper. So it's in a wrapper that's edible. It's so cute. There's the back of it. And it has a sticker. Kind of made me think of Cracker Jacks. Like it comes with a little sticker for the kids. This is what hers had in it. And that is a Japanese candy. So anyway, I thought you guys might like to see this. This is nothing you'll ever see me bring in from Kroger's or Food Line or anywhere, but totally fun and exciting. I just wanted to share a little bit of footage from our Easter egg hunt at church. We had this Saturday, the day before Easter. Had a pretty little balloon and streamer display where the kids could all have their picture made. And then a nice lady from our church donated all of these beautiful little baskets and lots of candy and fillers and all the good stuff to go in them. Of course, a little thing of hand sanitizer too. The kids were so tickled with these treat bags. It was just full of all of their favorite things. And of course, bubbles. We had a great crowd. I worked in the kitchen. I did forget to get any footage of that, but it was just, hot dogs, nachos, that kind of stuff. They also had a nice little setup for each kid according to their age with books and coloring things for Easter, and also this cute little seed pack that they could grow flowers when they bury this little cross that is full of seeds. And all of these beautiful and delicious cookies were made by Renee Singh. I'm going to leave her Facebook business page linked down in my description box. It is mainly jewelry on there that she sells, but if you're local to the Knoxville area, Renee does do these beautiful cookies. They were so gorgeous. I wish I could have shown you every single one. And here is my family's Easter potluck from Sunday afternoon. All the good things that we had, the things you always expect: sweet potatoes, deviled eggs, the ham, my mom's delicious dressing, macaroni and green beans for all of the kids and all of us, really. That yummy, quick and easy broccoli casserole that we love. My mom decided to throw in a 7-layer salad, which was wonderful. Some yummy sweet cream style corn, and my mother-in-law's potato salad, which is all of our favorites. We had a couple of little coconut cream pie and chocolate pie. Our Aunt Sue made a key lime cheesecake that's so yummy. There is Maddie's favorite lemon dessert and Granny's buttermilk cake, which my mother-in-law made for Easter. Of course, here's a nice big plate I got some footage of for you filled up. Guys, thanks so much for being here. This little midweek video was all over the place, but we had such a wonderful, blessed, fun-filled Easter weekend. I wanted to share it all with you. Thank you so much for being here. Until Sunday night, I send you love from my kitchen.